Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Well, overnight and early this morning, we were dealing with some showers, but you can clearly tell out on radar right now, it's pretty quiet as we're starting to transition over into the afternoon. With that front, we didn't think much was going to come of it, and nothing really did. The most amount of rainfall we did get is along the coast near Gold Beach, close to about 1/10 of an inch. Areas inland, no more than a couple hundredths in a few areas, or even trace amounts. But speaking of Gold Beach, bright and sunny outside right now. But one thing you can't tell from our camera is that it is pretty breezy outside. Those wind gusts right now at 24 miles per hour out of the north. It's going to be a very breezy day if you are along the coast or into those coastal mountain ranges, but those temperatures will be feeling rather nice along the coast. But areas inland are starting to see those temperatures climb up into the upper 50s for our west side valleys right now. East side, we're into the upper 40s, pushing the 50s into the Christmas Valley. Out into Northern California, we're seeing temperatures into the 50s. So overall, it's feeling pretty nice today, especially for fall. We'll get rid of those clouds we're dealing with into the Rogue Valley as we're working our way into the afternoon and evening and join the rest of the region with those bright and blue skies, at least for a bit of time today. So great to be heading outdoors, especially this evening. Now, as we transition overnight, that's when we'll start to see some changes, but we're expected to stay dry. Clouds begin to increase back in by tomorrow morning. We'll be seeing partly cloudy sky conditions areas over to the west. Those high level clouds starting to stream in areas east side. Because skies are going to be a little bit clearer tonight, we are going to see those temperatures drop down a bit cooler as well. By the time you're heading out the door tomorrow morning, you're going to want to wear a few extra layers. The next few days, it's going to remain dry, and that's some good news when it comes to our Halloween, with lots of outdoor plans on the way. We'll track that out on Stormcast. Today, again, like I mentioned, we are going to see those clouds decrease a bit more, areas to the west, high clouds streaming throughout your day. As we work into our Thursday, we'll see passing clouds for partly to mostly cloudy sky conditions, but notice we're staying dry, no green on your screen right now. And then as we transition to Friday, we'll see passing clouds, mostly to partly cloudy conditions again throughout your day. And then we're keeping a close eye on this system that will bring some rain back to the region starting on your Saturday and overnight into your Sunday for areas inland. So for your Halloween, like I mentioned, it is going to be dry, but we'll see those clouds increase throughout your day. Temperatures remain mild. When the sun does set, there's going to be a chill in the air after dark, so feeling very spooky as we head into the evening. But something else we're looking forward to on Friday is that Black and Blue Bowl game. It is looking like it is going to be rather nice, but we'll see some clouds. We'll be staying dry. After that sun sets, though, expect some very chilly temperatures. And just a quick look at your weekend forecast. We are expecting rain to return for your Saturday, and we can expect to overnight into your Sunday for areas inland. A closer look at your 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain likely starting Saturday, like I just mentioned, and winds will be a bit breezier ending out your weekend over into Northern California. Missing out on the rain over the weekend, but we're tracking it out for next week, and we'll likely be seeing that areas over inland and even into the Klamath Basin on your Tuesday. Over into the mountains, snow levels remaining a bit higher with these next systems, and finally back over into the Rogue Valley. Dry through the end of your work week before we have the slight chance for rain Saturday.